everyone, how are you? My name is Prabu Dewangga. I am from the group 6 and I will make a presentation of the first part. On this occasion, I will present the title of Administrating Database in Hospital. In this section, I will explain how to create tables, create logins, create user, create roles, make a grant, and make a deny. Okay, let's do the first part. First part is creating table. Okay, I have already made the syntax in SQL Server and I will execute it. That means the table is already created in that database. And this is the result. Second, after creating table is creating login and user. Write the syntax, create login, and type the username that you want. Don't forget with password. After that, you can create user. The user is your name. For login, your username. With default schema EMP, that's mean employee. Okay. After that, creating role. Creating role is the easiest one because the syntax is create role, role name, authorization, and owner name. Okay, I create role doctor specialist. And don't forget exec sp underscore at role member doctor specialist to your user. That means that you take that role member. After that, creating grant. Grant is continue from making role. That is making a permit. After the role is created, there must be someone who places it with the permission of the person who creates the role. Okay, for example, like this. Type grant, select insert on object. And drop the table that you want to have a grant. After that, type to and type your role. I type doctor specialist because my role is doctor specialist. Okay, let's execute. And the last, creating deny. It seems like creating grant, but creating denies work to prohibit someone who already has a permit, but the permit is not revoked. So if a person has permission, issued forcibility. Okay, let's type deny delete on object and drop the table that you want to have, and don't forget type your role. I type doctor specialist and execute. So that's all for part 1, and for part 2 it will be explained with my friends Zakarias Wongkar. Thank you for watching and see you again.
Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Zakarias Wongkar. I want to continue what my friend to the administrating database in the hospital. Okay. This database had 15 users with one main administrator, and the process is first setting the database and table, and setting procedure and triggers, login users, and counting users, and make certificate. I believe that my friend has made the database table and login and users. So next to the this um, the the project to make the user create login. The example the Dr. Supriyadi with the password Supriyadi1 and create user Dr. Supriyadi for login Dr. Supriyadi and so on. We also grant select insert to any object the developer wants to give. Doctor, sister, administration manager, human resource, admin, and finance. And this is creating role. And today I'm going to discuss about the certificate. How to make a certificate using the SQL Transact. You can use first the database, use polyclinic, and create master key encryption by password. The password example is aku kamu, and create certificate doctor professional with subject the said certificate for Supriyadi, and give an expiry date until 7 May 2025. And the second certificate is the pegawai teladan for certificate for Reinhardt, and the expiry date is 6 until 10 2026 September 2025 October. Next certificate for professional. Next we got the backup and restore database. In database you have attribute to not attribute object to backup and restoring your database. And here we are backupping our database, the polyclinic, using the full type backup, and we backup to the disk to the G section of the memory, SQL backup polyclinic, and here is the polyclinic. After we backup, we restore the database. We use the same, not the same, but the other, the restore section. Here we use the place where the polyclinic is from the destination, and we restore it to our SQL server. Okay. Next, we got the auditing. The auditing is made for gagal login or audit for failure when login. So if you are failure, then it will show up. The last is the jobs. The jobs is like an automated things that database had. It was made for backup project automatic. So in a certain time we can backup our project without using it manually. So it can automatically be backup in the SQL server. Okay, thank you. That's all from us, from me, Zakarias Wongkar, and my friends Prabu Dewangga. Thanks for watching.